So, we're on our way to do a ride-along video. We had a little dilemma.
There may have been a mishap.
Oh, race car.
What is this?
Oh, it's a Pulsar with Calsonic livery.
Yes.
Pulsonic! That's excellent.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Perfect.
Pulsonic, that's beautiful.
Oh, so good. Anyway, so we're on our way to go film this car, and yeah, apparently he's having some issues and he's stuck on the side of the road. So we're turning around and going to meet him now to see what's up.
Hopefully it's fixable.
Yeah, because it's actually a super exciting car to film. You'll see it soon, I'm sure. Lunar Motive push along.
Yeah.
V1.
Tell us about your car. I wonder if we can skid it like this.
A few moments later.
Oh, that's good value.
Yeah, that's very good.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, no way.
No way. I can't come, my car's broken. It's just out of fuel.
How did you lose?
We came to make a video on this car, and we got a call that it was broken. What was really wrong with it?
Error code 8.
Is it? Error code 8.
User.
The corn juice.
Is a virgin to the core.
Yeah. Fresh built SR with E85. Didn't understand how quickly it drank the juice. And now we're here.
Tasty.
Alright, so, bit of an interesting start to our video. Yeah. We were going to go and do some glamour shots out somewhere else, but we're stuck at the shop.
Oh, that's alright.
Everyone needs a bit of petrol.
So anyways, we're here with Kyle with his super sick 180. GOD180 as it's called.
Yes, yes indeed.
Just a fresh build.
Yes, it is pretty fresh. We literally built it 2 hours before the tune. We're up at 4 o'clock in the morning on the Sunday building it, and then it went in for the tune pretty much that morning. But it got done. It's a pretty mental car, and I can't be prouder with where it's at. And yeah, just
it looks good. Like if you guys look, we'll put up a photo of what this car looked like. What, not even a few months ago when it was black and.
Yeah.
So I've been following this build on Instagram for ages, and it's actually kind of like. It just went from like here to here, like real quick.
One post a month to like 5 posts a week. But
so it's still an SR in it, I believe?
Yes, it's still got an SR. It's got 256 cams, rocker arms, head studs, forged pistons and rods, E85. It's got...
As we are. So before.
I don't know what you're talking about. GTX 3076R turbo running 18 PSI.
I think we got to see this engine bay.
Would have liked a bit more power, but unfortunately valve spring started giving out. If you just want to pop it open.
Sorry, how much power did it make?
Made anywhere between 270 and 300 kilowatt, just because we're not sure if the dyno was out.
Okay.
So.
Ois. Big dog. This actually reminds me a lot of Michael's setup. Remember, Ben?
Yes, yeah.
Similar turbo size. Very cool.
Yeah, I mean 270 would be heaps.
Oh yeah. It struggles for traction even with the semi-slicks on.
Yeah.
But the semi-slicks do grip up pretty much as soon as you rip a burnout. They grip back up and stay back on track.
What width tyres are you running?
235s.
235. Oh, okay.
So I could go wider, but once I get my fenders and stuff and my over fenders, I'll run.
Love that.
Wider.
Send it. That kind of begs the question, was this like a drift build or is this
originally I was tracking it at Wakefield a fair bit, and I had it tuned by another shop, making 250 kilowatt, 7 PSI, and it was literally the laggiest, gutless car in the world. Like I'd get on boost and it's just like... Okay.
Pending.
Okay, and then about 6,000 RPM, and then you got to change gears.
Yeah.
So it's literally like nothing. And then with the new tune by Ben, it comes on boost at 3,000 RPM, it kicks you out sideways, and it just gets on hard. Like it's so happy, and it's only running £1 more. So you tell me.
Yeah, right.
And yeah, so it's not painted either, it's wrapped. You can tell from the underside.
By Signature Wraps.
Yeah, Signature Wraps, local camera business.
Yeah.
Like, all these details are really sick. Like the headlight.
Yeah. So, yeah,
Oh, it's not rare, right? That's cool.
Yeah, it's painted.
There's a bit of track kit in there as well. You've got like a nice seat and stuff.
The interior's pretty clean. Cool Sparko wheel.
Yeah.
Stripped out rear.
Stripping out the rears.
Standard 180 things.
Very recent. Like,
Oh yeah.
I only stripped it out maybe 2 weeks ago.
And then there's got the S15 passenger seat.
Oh, true.
Had S15 complete like rear seats and stuff as well. Had the parcel shelf and everything.
Dark out here, but he's also got super sick Type-X lights with the rare Kevlar garnish. Wait, see if you can see it.
Ooh.
RPS S13.
Hang on.
It's probably really dark, but he's got like the carbon or Kevlar finish center garnish, which I really want. I'm really jealous.
Kind of rare, hey?
Yeah.
So next on the list.
So yeah, so tonight it's not just a ride along. We're going to a car meet, which would be cool. So there's like a cruise on tonight.
Yeah.
So we're tagging along with Kyle to is it Jap
X.
exclusive for me?
Yeah, JapX. I've made sure that we've got quite the entrance party because there are a few people are looking forward to seeing this car, so they're all going to line up down the thing and record the couple pops and bangs we shoot out the back. But we'll see how we go.
So yeah, we'll get some ride along footage, slap the GoPro on it,
Yeah.
tag along for the night, and it should be pretty sick. I'm excited.
Let's get on the way.
Night.
Yep.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Let's get into it.
All right.
Your car's got the typical 180 smell.
Fuel.
Yeah, button clutches are tough for the first like week or two, hey? It's loud in here already at just like low revs.
So screamer too, so
Oh, does it? I didn't even see that.
yeah, it's pretty stealth for a reason. Corn juice. What?
Cool.
Corn juice. It's just cold.
Corn juice live. Yeah, it's got some torque. Oh, you saved it. Dude, as soon as it grips up, it just goes.
Once it grips up, it's
Oh, it sounds insane. Your indicator's stuck on, by the way. Oh, g'day, Benny. Damn, dude, this sounds so good.
it sounds a lot better now that we figured out that the cat was blocked. Because once the cat was blocked, it was a lot quieter.
Yeah.
It was still loud like this and still did the backfires, but just no flames, and it wasn't nowhere near as nutty.
RB20 sound good. That E85 life once again.
Oh, don't do this.
Oh, what? Oh, there you go. Yeah. So here's the meat spot. Oops. Jesus, this is steep. Rip. Oh. Good effort. What's happening? Fucking hell, dude.
Oh, I told you it's loud.
Go again.
Can you make this racket, bro?
Oh my god. Dude, my ears!
I can't hear anymore.
Holy shit! That was like, oh my ears, dude! Holy! What's that on the jacket? Ooh, hold on. Oh! Oh! Damn, son.
Not that
Nice
class
15,
design.
You got new wheels?
Yeah.
You've had them for a while now, hey?
About 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
When I was in Melbourne the other day, and for it was an excellent.
Corey. Huh? So what are we up to, mate? What the bloody hell's going on?
Yeah, tonight's been wild. We've just been kind of all over the shop. What have we done? We just finished cruising with like the big group, and now we're just doing our own kind of little thing that just happened out of nowhere. Just a bit of it. Just S chassis in the skyline, so good times. god.
Oh, that was fun.
That was
Dude,
sick.
I literally got a stitch from that because I wasn't breathing and using so much concentration. And I was like, nah, my lungs!
Alright, camera's about to die. That was hype as hell. I'm itching right now to drive.
Super loose night. Ended up being a pretty loose ride-along video. Just like lots of other shenanigans, which is cool.
But yeah, thank you so much, Kai, for the run. Thanks on the card. That's a crazy build.
It's sick. It is so sick. I'm so glad it's done. It's cool.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty off its tab. Like, I'm a bit scared for the 400 kilowatt mark, but it's gonna get there eventually. Like we're just gonna have to prepare ourselves and just hope for the best.
I just love like as soon as it grips up, it's like a rocket ship.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
Too fast.
Like, yeah, I'm just basically learning to handle it as it is at the moment. I think it's the best step for me.
Yeah, for sure.
Don't rush into it. Coming from a New South Wales P plates, going from a front wheel drive Lancer to this, there's a bit of a difference. Let me put it that way.
Just a mild step up.
No, thank you again.
Yeah.
That was super rad.
Thank you guys for featuring me. Thank you very much.
Your Instagram.
God180.
God180.
It's not exposing.
Oh, God180. Please follow.
God180. There you go.
Yeah.
Dust him on Instagram. Follow his build.
Updates and when he
You
gets some
can
more
see how
powers
rapidly this car transformed from like a stock looking black 180 to this. So definitely suss it out. So that wraps this one, I think.
Sounds good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Till next time. Thank you, man.
See you, dude.